If you're experiencing audio desynchronization issues in the AFC25, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem. This guide will help you adjust your settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings menu. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Sometimes, incorrect settings can lead to Desync issues. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Make sure your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or use a driver update tool to download and install the latest drivers. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues, including audio desync. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the in-game audio quality settings. Sometimes high-quality audio settings can cause lag or desync. Try reducing the audio quality and see if that resolves the issue. Step 4. We start the game. After making changes, we start the game to ensure that all settings are applied correctly. This can often resolve temporary glitches that cause audio desynchronization. Step 5. Verify game files. If the problem persists, verify the integrity of the game files through your game launcher like Steam or Origin. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which can help fix audio issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the audio desync problem in the AFC25. If issues continue, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.